thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Shola for all the newbies. So today we're going to be learning how to add a digital listing to your Etsy shop. So you're going to want to go to Etsy.com and go to Shop Manager. From there, you're going to scroll down to Listings and select that. And this is your listings page. This is where you'll see your active listings, your drafts, the sold out and inactive. Also, you have editing options on there as well. So we're going to scroll up to the right corner and click Add a Listing. From there, you're going to add your photos. So with your pictures, you want to make sure they're at least 1500 pixels each. I usually do about 2000 by 2000 pixels for all of my pictures. Also, you want to make sure that you're adding as many pictures as you can so that your customer can see what you're selling. Here I have about 6 pictures. Also, you can drag and drop pictures, move them around. From there, I'm going to adjust the thumbnail so that you can see the entire image better. There you go. And then you're going to click Save. Perfect. From there, I'm going to give my listing a title. So when you're creating your title, you want to make sure that it is something that you would actually search for if you were the consumer. Also, you want to make sure that you're using great descriptive keywords to optimize where your product is being found in the search results. So I have a weekly planner and it also has flowers in it. So I'm going to name it Flower Weekly Planner. And it's also reusable. So I'm going to make sure I put that in there, reusable pages. And then also I'm going to add that it comes in US letter size A4 and A5. And also I want to say that it's also great for journals and planners. So here you just want to play around with your wording just to make sure that you like it and that it makes sense. Who made it? I did. It's a finished product and I made it in 2020. From there, you want to give your listing a category. So just type in what it is. I have a planner, so I'm going to type in planner or calendar. And then there's a few different options, so choose the best one. Then from there you can choose primary colors, a secondary color, also an occasion or a holiday. So I'm just showing you the different options that you have here for colors. The different options you have for occasions. And also the different options you have for holidays. Now these are optional. You don't have to choose anything for them. I'm not choosing anything for them. For renewal options, I'm going to choose automatic, but you have the option of doing manual if you want to renew it yourself. And then the type is digital for me, so I'm going to click digital. From here, I'm going to just describe the best as I can. I like to start with putting the title in the description. And then from there, I'm just going to give my customer a story of what it is that I'm selling. So here you want to describe your item as if you were the customer. What do you want to read when you're shopping for something? So you want your customer to be excited about this product. You want them to really want to buy it. So you want to give as much description as you can of what the product is. And also you want to make it exciting. So here I'm just saying it's a great weekly planner that includes a cover page and a section for you to write the month, the week of, and the year. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish typing this up, and then when I'm finished, I will go ahead and read it all the way out to you. So what I put in my description is a great weekly planner that includes a cover page and a section for you to write the month, week of, and year, which means you can use and reuse this weekly planner forever. Definitely a plus. It also comes with a great amount of space for you to write any important details for the day or week. This is also a great addition to your journal or planner. What's included? One zip folder with 3 PDF files. What size is it? US letter, A4 and A5 included. Notes. This is a PDF file for your own personal use. Feel free to message me with any questions. This is a digital file. No physical item will be sent. Now it's important that you specify those details, what's included, what size is it, and any special notes that you feel like your customer will need to know. So from there, I'm going to uncheck custom orders because this is a digital product. You can choose a section. I have some sections down here, but I won't be choosing any. And then for your tags, you want to make sure that you are putting down tags that people will actually use to search this item. So descriptive words, words that are in the actual listing. So I'm going to go with flower, weekly planner, reusable, pages. You want to think of keywords that your customer will use to describe your product, and also what your customer will use to search in the search bar on Etsy. So I'm going to put journal, organizer, printable. You just want to put as many keywords as you can that you feel like your customer will use. And then if you were to list a tag twice, it'll give you a notification, and then you can delete that and just add another one. For materials, this is what you use to make your product. So you want to name things that you use to make it. So I'm going to put digital, I'm going to put paper, journal, planner, things that were used in making this product. And then the price, you just put whatever you want your price to be. Mine will be $4. And then for digital, I'm going to put $999 since I will have it on automatic renewal. And for SKU, I won't be using a SKU, but if you have a SKU or if that's the way that you would like to keep up with your products, then I would advise of that as well. So personalization is a great option for people who have customizations on their products. I'm going to leave mine off because I don't have any customizations. But here you can list instructions for your buyer, and then you can also add the actual personalization. Last, you're going to upload your file. And then from there, you can preview it, save it as a draft, or publish it. So let's go ahead and preview it. Okay, and so here we are. All of our pictures have been uploaded. You can see that everything is here, our description. This is what it will look like. You can scroll through your pictures to make sure it's what you want it to look like. You can zoom in and look at it a little bit more. Now after that, I'm satisfied with my product, so I'm going to hit publish. This is just letting you know that there will be a 20 cents fee for each new listing when you publish it, and you're just agreeing to that. At the bottom, you can choose to renew it automatically or not. I'm going to keep mine checked, and then I'm going to hit publish. And then that's it. So it's been added. You can see it there. You can also go to your shop here on the left to make sure and just to look at it. Then you can select it. And now you have a full view of your listing on Etsy. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. And if there's something you'd like a video on, leave a comment down below. Also follow me on Instagram at ShellLove. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye, loves.